When it comes to choosing a cleaning service, opting for cheap local cleaners might seem like a money saver, but it often leads to wasted time and effort on your part and frustration. Language barriers, poor cleaning quality, and reliability issues are common disappointments. Executive Maids with over 30 years of experience offers a hassle-free cleaning experience that won't drain your time, energy, or patience. We take pride in our consistency with the quality of our cleanings and reliability. So say goodbye to sloppy cleanings and no-shows. Integrity is also a crucial aspect for everyone, as it ensures trust and reliability. You can trust our integrity and rest assured that your belongings are safe and secure in our care. Our professionals are not only highly trained, but also fluent in English, ensuring clear communication. So, while our initial price might be slightly higher than the local non-professional cleaners, the long-term savings in time, energy, and peace of mind are priceless. Choose Executive Maids for a cleaning experience that prioritizes your needs. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to simplify your life. Call us today because we are here to help you.